We all know that Pixel ROM is an all-rounder custom ROM which provides a seamless user experience for Poco F1. This is currently the most stable ROM out there for Poco F1, which delivers a better smooth experience, a lag-free gaming, and decent battery life. But there are some features that this ROM only offers for the end user that includes high frame rates, a decent display refresh rates, and more. This is where the custom kernel comes to the picture, which converts a Pixel ROM into a gaming ROM that delivers a next level performance and battery life. Hey guys, my name is KSK Ryle. In this video, I will show you how to install custom kernel on your Poco F1 running Pixel ROM, and this video is dedicated to exclusively for PUBG gamers. So watch the video till to the end without missing any parts of the video. Now, before diving into the main subject, I would like to address some myths about custom kernels and overclocking. Custom kernels are safe to use unless if you know what you're doing. It helps to make your device more powerful by unlocking all possible barriers. If you're naive in flashing custom kernel, you better stay out of it. Again, it's up to you. If you want to get the best out of your Poco F1 running Pixel ROM, you need to take some risk. Now, the custom kernel which I'm using in this video is called a Seshstation, which is based on Franco Sources, provides a tons of features and improvements. Before getting into the installation part, let's talk about the top features of this custom kernel. Well, first and foremost, this custom kernel overclocks your Poco F1 to achieve a max of 71Hz display refresh rate. That provides a super smooth experience. The entire UI seems to be super snappy. I mean, just look at the transitions and animations. The higher display refresh rates helps to achieve smooth animations and scrolling. Also, while gaming, you will notice a better smooth lag-free gaming. There are no frame drops at all. As you can see, I'm getting 70 frames per second while playing PUBG at HDR mode persistently. So this is so cool. Your gaming experience on Pixel ROM will be taken to the next level. Every single frame which it renders is super smooth. I played PUBG at HDR mode for around 1 hour and I didn't notice any lag or frame drops. And yeah, I'm continuously getting 70 frames per second thanks to the 71Hz overclock refresh rate, which made it possible to deliver all of the frames running at once without any issues. Keep in mind, overclocking a screen to higher refresh rates may not gonna damage the screen. It's just a rumor which is actually surfacing across the internet. Also, by default, the custom kernel overclocks GPU at 842Hz, which is a maximum frequency that provides a seamless gaming experience. I mean, all of your graphic intensive games run super smooth, and yeah, rendering a video will be super fast with any video editor. This custom kernel also comes with some latest touch drivers, which means there will be no more touch issues on your Poco F1. I have been using this custom kernel for 2 days now, and trust me, I haven't faced any touch issues so far. Some of the features that this custom kernel includes are latest Wi-Fi drivers for better and stable connections, and F2FS file system support has been added, a safety net check bypass, a latest security patches, and many more improvements. Also, according to the developer of this custom kernel, the fast charging has been improved so much. He says it charges the phone at 3300 mAh, which is super insane. So I decided to check it out with an application called Ampere. As you can see, the maximum current which is entering into the device is around a 1900 mAh, which is sort of bummer. Perhaps I don't know if I need to use some powerful high watt charger to unlock this feature. So the question is, how about battery life? Well, even though after overclocking the GPU and screen refresh rates, your phone will deliver improved battery life, there are no serious battery draining issues which I have encountered so far while playing heavy games. As of now, I'm getting 7+ hours of SOT with gaming and watching videos. Keep in mind, these statistics are sort of absurd at this time, so follow my community page on YouTube channel and I will post some screenshots about my usage. As usual, I ran a benchmarking applications like Geekbench and Antutu, and these are the scores which I got on my Poco F1. Now let's dive into the installation part. Check the links in the description box down below and download the custom kernel along with a Magisk Manager and place these two files on your internal storage or SD card. Now reboot your phone into a TWRP recovery mode. For that, while rebooting your phone, keep holding the volume up button until you see a TWRP logo. Now inside the TWRP recovery, first thing first, back up the current state of your ROM. For that, select a backup option, then choose boot, data and system partitions only, then swipe to backup. So I already did the backup, so once it's done, once the backup has been successfully done, now choose wipe option, then select advanced wipe and then select Delwick and cache and wipe these two partitions only. Now once it's done, head over to install zip option and select custom kernel as well as the Magisk Manager and flash it. Now once it's done, reboot your phone. Now that's it guys, now you have successfully installed custom kernel on your Poco F1 running Pixel ROM. Now after that you can go ahead and install any kernel manager to tweak out some settings. As of now I'm using a Franco kernel manager, so which lets you customize everything. Keep in mind you will instantly notice some difference after flashing custom kernel in terms of smoothness and scrolling. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then hit the thumbs up button down there and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider clicking on the bell button to get notified. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. This is your host KSK Royal. Peace.